Joint venture partner. Okay.
All right. This is Jeff Mucci with RCR Wireless News, and we're here with Hunter Newby, who is joint venture partner for 325 Hudson. Hunter, thanks for having us here today.
Thank you.
Why don't you tell us a bit about this event tonight and what you're showcasing?
This event is the launch for our new Meet Me Room at 325 Hudson Street, which is the Carrier Hotel in New York City. We purchased the building, myself and my two other partners in Miramar and Jamestown last year, and set about on a development plan for a new Meet Me Room to get back to the roots of the Meet Me Room business from New York about a decade plus ago here in this facility. It's an existing Carrier hotel that already houses submarine cable systems and many metro, regional, and long-haul fiber networks. And there's huge demand for physical air neutral interconnection in New York. So we're happy to be here.
Before we look at the diagram and go into a little more detail of the facility, why don't you talk about some of the big trends that you're seeing in the fiber and data center and Meet Me Room business?
The biggest trend is 100 gig, the move to 100 gig, and the necessity for physical diversity around where the legacy 10 gig core resides for those upgrades. Now that's kind of a double-edged sword. A lot of times people have to do upgrades and they want to, and they don't want to put that new 100 gig system on top of the 10, but it's difficult because all the fiber meets there. So you can't really just move across the street because you don't want to add to the complexities and the single point of failure, essentially. So the creation of a new point is difficult. It takes a lot of coordination. It takes a real estate partner, essentially, to set up that environment and to attract the networks to go there, and then to expand on the 100 gig transport, and to make sure that the fiber in the street is sufficiently physically diverse from those other legacy points. In other words, you can't add a new location like this just as an extension off of the old location, because you could still have issues. So 100 gig deployment itself in the optical space for fiber at the core to meet with wireless backhaul requirements, global submarine traffic, content in general, big data, cloud computing, it's driving the need for more facilities like this, the expansion of existing and creation of new.
I'm going to hand you the mic, Hunter, and I'd like you just to walk us through the facility as a whole.
Sure. Thanks, Jeff. Right, so here we have the 9th floor west side of 325 Hudson Street. This is the Meet Me Room. And within the Meet Me Room, we have the Meet Me area, which is where we're standing now. This is a physical patch panel area for cross connects that will take place in these racks here. The fiber cables that feed this area come from two directions, from the shafts in the building themselves, from the street, and also from the cabinets and customer cages here as home runs to the patch panels. This is where the individual cross connects will actually occur. Here we have two power rooms, the A room and the B room, so we have a 2N configuration. We have a 2N 5,000 amp DC plant, and we have a 2N 275 kVA UPS system. And then out here is the main floor for the customer space. You have a cabinet, hot aisle, cold aisle, and cages. General space for core transport equipment, dense wave division, Ethernet, and core routers. It's not a server environment. This is not a data center. This is a Meet Me Room in a Carrier hotel, and there is a difference. Those are just the general high-level overviews. There's some mechanical space here for cooling equipment and whatnot. Generators are on the roof, and again, we own the whole building, so it's our intention to expand this as demand justifies it, take down additional space and build out a similar type configuration with the in-row cooling and the hot aisle, cold aisle containments and the physical passive patch panel interconnects.